See how to add new admins and live chat agents to your account. So here I am in a demo account over here. So to add new admins or new live chat agents to handle the omnichannel chatbots or chat conversations from your customers, you can do that from the settings. So I am in the settings and head over to admins over here. And here apart from admins, you can also assign or create inbox teams as well. So that means you can have different kind of departments such as sales department, support department, or even some other departments as well. For that you have to first actually add new admins over here. So let's click on manage over here and see how many admins or how many live chat agents this particular account actually has. So here I am in the admin section over here, and it says everyone has all the capabilities over here. So this person can activate contacts, flows, settings, and notifications. So here you can also set the notification for your account. So here I am actually logged in to this particular account, Mukundan at Chatting Media. So here if I click on edit, you'll have the option to send what sort of email you want to receive the admin notification, and also you have other options as well when you actually going to get the notifications as well. And you can also add other channels for the admin notifications as well. But here let's see how to add a new admin. So here you simply click on add over here, and by default you will provide actually super admin access. That means that particular account or the person will have access to everything. Suppose if you want to limit some sort of features for the person you are actually adding, just untick super admin over here, then you will see all these options over here. Let's say you want to provide only access to analytics. You can do that. You can simply tick analytics and click continue, and it simply will generate a link over here. You can simply copy paste and send this a link to that particular person you want to add, and they can click on this particular link and log in to the platform. So and they will automatically see your account over here with the permissions you set. Suppose if you want to add other, so let's say if you want to add a live chat agent. So if for live chat agents you have to provide access to the contacts over here. And also another option is that you can actually hide the email and phone numbers as well. So here if you untick this particular option, then that particular live chat agent won't be able to see the emails or the phone number of the customer's profile from their contacts or the inbox as well. So there is also another option as well. Suppose if you want to actually assign, or if you want to allow a particular live agent to manage only the assigned conversation for them. So here if you choose this particular option, manage only assigned conversation, then that particular live chat agent can only see the conversation assigned only for them. For example, you can assign conversation from the chatbot. Also it's possible for you to assign conversation manually as well. For example, here assign conversation, you can simply assign conversation to whatever the agents over here. For example, let me assign this conversation to this particular agent over here. So here it's assigned over here, and here you can actually filter using assigned as well. So here assigned to Mukundan at Chatting Media, only one conversation is here. So here let me remove the filter over here, unassigned and assigned over here. So here those are the settings you can actually do when you actually add new admins as well. So likewise you can actually enable access to the flows, analytics, those kind of things are possible as well. Likewise you can provide access to broadcast or e-commerce feature as well. So now let's see. We can actually test this from here as well. So this is my profile over here, and here I am logged in over here. So for now this particular profile actually has all the rights or all the access including settings. So this is a super admin over here, so I can actually reduce the permissions for myself as well. So click on edit over here just to show you how this actually works. So here instead of super admin, just click on this particular toggle off, and here you have the options over here. So let's say let me toggle off over here, and let me switch off everything, and here let me assign only manage only assigned conversation. So let me switch this on only. So that means my profile will get updated to only this particular permission, so I can only see the conversation assigned only me. So as you see previously, in just a few minutes I assigned one of the conversation to myself. So let's see if I can see that conversation from the inbox over here. So let me click save, and now this should actually update the permissions, so it takes a while. And as you see here, I can only access the inbox over here, and even contacts also cannot be accessed. So let me click on contacts and see what happens. And I only see the contacts of the particular person who is whose chat is assigned to me, because if I go to the inbox, I can see here I can only see only one conversation. Even though it's selected as all conversation, I can only see one conversation because that is the only conversation assigned to my name over here or my profile over here. So likewise, you can actually assign permissions as well. So here let me actually go to the other profile, which is Static Media. So here let me open in another profile, so the same account. So let me go to the settings over here, and in the settings let me go to the admins, and here let me update the permissions for my profile again. So if I click on edit, and here if I provide access to everything, super admin, and click save, so now I have actually provided access again, super admin access to this particular profile. So if I go to the other window over here and refresh over here, I should see all the features for me, as you see here. Another thing is that you can actually create inbox teams as well. For example, let me click manage. So using the existing admins on your account, you can group them into different kind of teams, such as sales, support, billing. Those kind of things are possible over here. So here we don't have any teams. So let me add a team as support over here, and you can select who are the members. So let's say this particular member I want to add as support. So here this is added as support. So let's say sales. So here in this account we have only two profiles over here, or two admins over here, so we can only have team create teams with just these two profiles over here. Likewise, let's say if you want to add sales another member, you can do that as well. So let's say sales, I want to add this particular person as well. So here for the sales we have two people, and for the support we have one people. And in the inbox you can actually assign conversations to the specific teams as well. So here if I go to the inbox over here, and here instead of assigning to an agent, let me remove the assignment, and here you can simply assign to sales, support. Likewise, that's also possible as well. So that's how you can actually add live chat or agents or admins to your account. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments.